In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sendgrid to send emails unlimited. We'll walk through how to create a one-time email campaign using single sends inside Sendgrid. This is perfect for newsletters, announcements, or any broadcast message you want to send to a group of contacts all at once. Once you're logged into your Sendgrid dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Marketing and click on that. This is where Sendgrid groups all the tools related to email campaigns, contact lists, and templates. Inside the marketing section, look for single sends. Go ahead and select that. Single sends are one-off email campaigns, so they're great for things like product updates or promotions. In the top right corner of the single sends page, click the Create Single Send button. This will start the process of building your new email. Next, you'll be asked to choose a template. Sendgrid gives you a few options here. You can pick a pre-built Sendgrid design, which is a good choice if you want something quick and polished. You can also choose one of your own saved templates if you've created any in the past. Or, if you prefer full control over the layout, select a blank template and build everything from scratch. After selecting your template, choose the design editor. This is the drag and drop builder that makes it easy to create professional-looking emails without coding. It lets you visually edit your message and instantly see how it will appear to your recipients. Before you design the content, move over to the Settings tab for this single send. Here, you'll configure the key details that control how your email is sent. First, choose your From Sender. Make sure you select a verified sender address so your email has the best chance of landing in the inbox instead of spam. Then, enter your subject line. Try to make it clear and relevant so people know exactly what they're opening. Next, choose your recipients. You can select one or more lists or segments that you've already set up in your Sendgrid account. Lists are broader groups of contacts, while segments are more targeted filters based on behavior or attributes. Pick the ones that match who you want to receive this particular message. Now move back into the design editor and start designing your email. Use the drag and drop tools to add text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers. You can customize colors, fonts, and spacing so the design matches your brand. Take a moment to check how everything looks on both desktop and mobile previews, and keep your main message easy to scan. Once your content looks good and your settings are configured, it's time to get the email ready to go. Click on Review Details and Send. This review screen is your final checkpoint to confirm the sender, subject line, recipients, and design. If everything looks correct, you can launch it immediately and Sendgrid will deliver your single send to the audience you selected.